MagMod has done the impossible and made an impressive beauty dish that I absolutely love and also highly recommend. In today's video, I'm breaking down exactly why that is and also showing you guys a photo shoot that I did using the beauty dish. Hey guys, my name is Francisco Hernandez and today I'm reviewing the MagMod Beauty Dish XL 20 Pro Kit, something that I would actually consider to be a game changer for any photographer out there seeking portability without compromising on amazing light quality. I was very fortunate enough to get the MagMod Beauty Dish kit in exchange for this review, but the company has no input whatsoever on what I'm going to say in this review, and everything that I say in this review is my complete and honest experience using the beauty dish. First things first, let's go ahead and do a quick unboxing to show you guys what the kit comes with. So right here we have the box for the MagMod Beauty Dish XL Pro Kit, and you can see some visuals of exactly what you're going to get inside of this box. And on the other side of the box, you can see so much information about the beauty dish, including what accessories are available on the bottom there, the different mounts that are available for this beauty dish, what the beauty dish is made of, and lots of other information that I'll just go ahead and let you guys click pause on the video right now so that you can see, or you can just wait until I tell you guys the features myself. So let's just open up the box now, and once I open it, you're gonna see the semi-hard shell case. This is gonna protect the beauty dish as well as make it very easy to transport it to your photo shoots. Let me just bring this up so you guys can get a better look of this case. And here is the case. You guys can see that it does look pretty nice and it's gonna do exactly what you need it to do, which is hold the beauty dish and protect it from any damages. One thing that's really cool about this case is that it actually has D-rings, so you guys can see that on the side here. You have one D-ring right there, and then you have another on the other side. There's also a strap on the top for a little bit of added protection from things falling out of the case whenever you open it. And here is a closer look of that. But let me just open it up now. And then on the inside, you can see that all the important things are gonna be there. And I'm gonna go ahead and just show you guys them one by one. There's gonna be this card right here. There's also these extra straps for the reflector plate for longevity. There's also this shoulder strap so you can carry the case on your shoulder. There's also this diffusion sock so you can get a little bit softer light. And then finally, you do have the beauty dish right here. I'm gonna extend it and then lift it so you guys can see the next thing I want to show you, which is the 40-degree grid. I absolutely love this grid because it's so easy to attach it and to remove it. If you don't want to use it, leave it on the side like that. And if you do want to use it, then you can just literally put it on there and it's already attached. From over my many years of using flash and using different softboxes and beauty dishes, I've always hated grids because they were such a pain to set up. This one is very easy to attach it and to remove it like I just showed you. I'm gonna take everything off this desk right now except for the beauty dish so I can talk a little bit more about it. I'm also gonna give the beauty dish a little bit of a 360 so you guys can see how it looks like from all the different directions. And I'll just talk a little bit about my first impressions on the beauty dish. And the first thing that comes to my mind when I got this beauty dish was relief. And the reason for that is because I've actually used lots of different beauty dishes over the years. And actually just this past November, I used a very expensive beauty dish. And one thing I was really worried about the whole time I was using that beauty dish was if the light falls for some reason, I'm gonna feel like crap because it fell and I have to either replace the beauty dish or just have that nasty feeling afterwards and feeling bad for the fact that it fell. If you've ever seen a photo of a beauty dish with some years of experience on it, you will see that it's very dented, very scratched up and scuffed. And I don't feel like that's gonna be the case with this beauty dish. I honestly feel like I could probably drop this from a great height and it would be totally fine. I'm not gonna do that in this video, of course, but if you guys wanted to see that, let me know in the comments below so I can know who to send the build to if the drop test fails. When it comes to the build quality of this MagMod Beauty Dish, I find it to be very impressive. You have nice materials throughout the entire product, and specifically in this area right here, you have some nice, soft to the touch, durable silicone, and it's because of that silicone that you can actually collapse the beauty dish like that. And that combination of being able to collapse and that very tough material on the outside makes it a perfect solution for any photographer on the go who tends to shoot outdoors like I do. The whole MagMod system is something that I've always known to be a bit of an ecosystem of very quick and easy to use and very customizable magnetic modifiers. And this new beauty dish by MagMod offers exactly that as well. This MagMod Beauty Dish has some really great features that I've already mentioned before and some I haven't yet. Like for one, the collapsible design that I've not only mentioned but showed you guys a couple different times already. That collapsible design is gonna have the added benefit of that extra portability, but there's also some other great features as well. You also have that really interesting feature that I showed you guys earlier, being that it has a magnetic modularity so that you can attach the 40-degree grid to this beauty dish. And that's just something that I'm gonna continuously praise because I absolutely hate the traditional style grids because of how messy they are and how annoying they are to use. And another great feature is being able to easily attach gels to this beauty dish, which is something I haven't showed you guys yet, so I'll show you right now. When it comes to the gels, you have this artistic set. You also have this creative set. And then finally, you have this correction set, which I actually did take advantage of at the photo shoot that you're gonna see in a bit when I used a full CTO gel on a MagMod's. So here is the MagMod Beauty Dish, and here is a full CTO gel. And I'm gonna just easily put the gel on there, and it's already on. And now I have a beautiful gel right there to use on the MagMod Beauty Dish at my photo shoot. One thing that I did see that you can do, which I haven't tried yet, is you can actually stack gels. So I'm gonna see exactly how that is. So you can see that the gel is on there right now. And I have two that are stacked right here. And then I'm gonna see how to stack those on there. And yeah, they're stacked on there right now. And if you're like myself and very curious if it's easy to remove the gel, then yes, it is. All you have to do is give it a little bit of a squeeze and a turn, and then it's off. Another great feature about the MagMod Beauty Dish is that ability to control the light exactly how you want to. So like I mentioned earlier, you do have that 40-degree grid in case you want less spill and more direct light. And then you also have that diffusion sock in case you want a little bit softer light, which is something that I always aim for in my work, which is exactly why I use the diffusion sock in my own photo shoot using the dish. Another excellent feature that the MagMod Beauty Dish offers is that excellent compatibility. So it does come with a very popular Bowens mount, which is perfect for anybody out there who has Bowens mount strobes or lighting, but you also have the option of Godox mount and Profoto mount. When it came to light quality of the MagMod Beauty Dish, I honestly give it a 10 out of 10 because I really honestly loved the quality of light that I was getting from this beauty dish at the different photo shoots that I used it at. And to prove that, I'll actually throw a raw file in the description area below so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about. The raw file is going to be of this photo right here on the screen. And when it comes to performance and ease of use, I think I've actually said this a couple of different times already, but it's so easy to use this beauty dish. And I'll be honest with you guys, one thing I intentionally do whenever I test out a new product is I intentionally disregard the menu completely, and I use the product to see exactly how easy it is or not to use the product. And like I've said before, it's very easy to use this beauty dish to the point where I could probably set it up and add gels and add the grid completely blind. Right now, I want to do a quick summary of all the pros and cons I can think of regarding the MagMod Beauty Dish XL 20 Pro Kit. And I actually do have a list here, so I'm gonna just read off the list. It's highly portable for on-the-go photographers like myself. The beauty dish is really durable, so you can actually use it for a long time. It's very quick and easy to set up, so you can get to shooting right away at your photo shoot. It has the ability to attach magnetic attachments for versatile light control. You have an excellent gel system as well. The case is not only helpful, but also looks very cool in my opinion. And lastly, it does offer a Bowens mount, which is very common out there for lighting. Literally, the only thing I can think of that would qualify as a con for the MagMod Beauty Dish is something that's very subjective, and that's gonna be the price. The MagMod Beauty Dish XL 20 Pro Kit is usually about $420, but right now it's actually on sale for $329.95. And you can actually get it for a little bit less than that by using my friend Ray's discount code ShootWithRay to get 5% off. If you were to ask me who I think this MagMod Beauty Dish is for, then I would just grab the box and point to the back of it because I fully agree with its recommendation of using the dish for headshots, beauty, and fashion portraits. But actually, I would take it a step further and say that this beauty dish is perfect for anybody taking portraits in general. I used it for this portrait of Debani in a sunflower field, and I also used it at a friend's quinceañera photo shoot just this past week, and the client loved the photos that we took. So my final thoughts about the MagMod Beauty Dish XL 20 Pro Kit, aside from the fact that it's a mouthful to say, is that it seriously combines portability with professional grade lighting. Its innovative design and ease of use make it a valuable addition to any photographer's kit, and I intend to use it at more photo shoots going forward. So if you're interested in elevating your photography, check out the MagMod Beauty Dish XL 20 Pro Kit. There will be links in the description area below, and also don't forget that there's that raw file from the photo shoot that you're about to see in the description area as well. If you have any questions about the MagMod Beauty Dish or any of the photos that you're about to see from the photo shoot that I did using the dish, let me know in the comments and I'll reply as soon as possible. Take care guys, and I'll see you in the very next video. And then I'll take it behind the scenes.
Yeah, no, I'm fine.
Let's go.
Let's go.